today. So up here on a roof as we're inspecting, sometimes you run across people that just don't understand what is acceptable on a roof. Cleaning a roof requires good care and ease. Some people like to think a pressure washer does really good to come up here and clean moss and stuff off. It's never a good idea. So as you can see, when we're looking down here at this roof, you can see all these spots right here, where now you can see all the fibers inside the shingle underneath the gravel. This is all because somebody took a pressure washer, came along here, and just sprayed so hard, they took all the granule and everything that's protecting the shingle off of it. And now it's exposed, it's going to wear out really fast. And this is all over this roof. You can see by all these little spots out there. This just goes around this entire roof. Now you've taken a roof that has a 35-year life expectancy and dropped it probably close to in half. So just a reminder, don't pressure wash a roof. Thank you.